How to change profile picture without posting on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and it will lead you directly to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go to your profile. Just tap on menu here and just see your profile here, and just on your profile here you can see this camera icon. Just tap on that and here you will see select profile picture. Now here you have to choose a profile picture that you want to choose. So let's say this one, and all you have to do is to tap on save on the upper right here. Now the Facebook is setting your profile picture. Just wait for it to actually load. And here you just have to refresh it here, and then if you scroll down you will see here your profile, or you have updated your profile picture. Now beside that you will see three dots here. You tap on that, and here edit privacy, and just tap on only me and tap on done. Basically you have successfully changed your profile picture, and it will not actually show up on your Facebook page. And basically that is how you change profile picture without posting on Facebook. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.